Tony Mark of the Mark and Greffer Group. Welcome to 21414 Pacific Coast Highway in Malibu. We just listed this for $12,995 and we're excited to show it to you. So let's go take a look. So we're entering through this private courtyard. You've actually got really good parking. So 2-car garage, 2-car parking in front of the house, this great entry courtyard, and then we're coming through the front door. Big open living room opening out on this nice large patio. We're on one of the best sections of the Costa Beach here, far away from any public access, still have sandy beach out front, and these are deep lots. So we've got the courtyard all the way to the beach on these properties. So we're on a great section of the Costa Beach. You can see how deep and sandy it is here. The Costa Beach Club's a little ways away, which is a private beach club for the community above us. And there's no public access on this beach until you get to the far north end of the beach. So this is literally one of the best locations on the Costa. So you're walking into the master bedroom right now. The house has 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. And we're walking through the master out to the master patio. Thanks so much for joining us. If you'd like more information about the house or to schedule a private showing, please reach out to us at russellandtony@compass.com, and we look forward to seeing you.